We meet again, Rose. When are you going to finish the garden, Rose? Butterfly. Did you see it? Hello, everyone. It appears to be another Wednesday. So I am going to be leaving for the auction soon. Still haven't got my garden planted yet. I'm gonna hopefully find some fence at the auction tonight. So anyway, I'm gonna go get ready. I got about an hour before I'm gonna leave. Looks like there's a bunch of tapes up there or something. So I'm gonna hopefully check them out, maybe find something good. I think there were some 8-tracks, but I know what I usually find in 8-tracks at the auction. Nothing good. Right, Rosie, the cat whisperer. Good night, Rose. Enjoy the wet, damp grass.
Kiss me if you're gonna say you love me, 'cause I'm gonna love you too. I don't care what you told me, you're gonna say you'll hold me. Yes, you're gonna say you'll love me, 'cause I'm gonna love you too. After all, another fella took you, but
Wow, it was shut off. I don't know where it shut off. Did it shut off before I started talking? I don't know. Well, they don't have a tent, and I don't know. That means maybe I won't be here all night, so I'm going to have to wait for so much stuff outside and go check out and see what's in the side room. Maybe I'll show you some stuff a little bit.
Anybody else for $2? Take anything you want there. Number 107, the horseshoes. Thank you. That all goes together. And does anybody else want something there? Look, that phone booth, I was thinking be worth some money somewhere.
Aluminum. Well, I haven't got anything yet, so I came to the van to sit and eat a candy bar thingy. And hopefully I'll get some of the stuff I wrote down. I didn't get either of the things outside because it was too cheap. Anyway, well, we'll see. Well, another awesome auction is over. People were betting big money on some stuff. But I don't know. I'll go through a few things maybe when I get back to home. And we'll see what I got.
Man, I want a scooter.
So they will never find, and we can act like we come from out of this world. Leave the real one far behind, and we can dance.
Without hats in the
50 dance.
Well, I made it home. I see all the cats are wondering, holy God, what has happened to my life? Leia, what are you doing down there? Leia, you're weird. Alright. Hey guys, hungry as usual. Alright, back to this stuff. Look at this thing I have. Gonna create a monster. Alright, I know it's not for that, but some people probably think that you'd make a monster with something like that. Anyway, I got, look at this thing. Oh, don't look yet. Hold on. Oh my God. Don't ask me why I paid $2 for this, but look at this couple. Oh, I'm sorry, lady. Oh, yeah. Kind of cool looking, that hairdo. Huh. Alright. She looks kind of pleasant. I just thought it's kind of got some neat etched glass work, but it's seen better days. Bought a tote of Christmas stuff. I think there's just one thing that was kind of neat. How do you like that Pomeranian, right? Is that what that is? It's glass. So maybe I can get somebody to buy that from me for like $5. Or maybe all these other ornaments. Maybe somebody might want it. Anyway, and I got a box with some cameras and miscellaneous that I haven't looked through yet. Ooh, cards, cool. But there's a couple Polaroids that probably don't work, but we'll see. And, oh, cool. Maxine. Hey, I sold her doll this winter. There's some miscellaneous stuff. This stuff is kind of cool. There's some old glass slides. Hold on a sec. Alright, check these out. They're some kind of glass slides. But, most of them are pretty bad. But, I don't know. This one's got like a crate on it. And then, this one's got some kind of building, but the one damaged one is cool. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I don't know, if I could cut glass better, I could probably salvage that. So there's some schematics or patterns. See, there we go. And then there's like this one. It's kind of cool. You can probably see that. But it's like a, it looks like a modern kitchen or something. See, wow, that's actually kind of cool. Huh, I don't know, but we'll see what it is. I don't know if there's any value to them or not. I got some other stuff. I also got this cool industrial light thing you do, which says, oh, that's what I couldn't find. I was looking Aladdin up. That's not Aladdin. Adalet. Something like that. Huh. That's going to help. It's still got the old light bulb inside it. Kind of weird. So hopefully it was worth the $10 I paid, but also got a bucket with it, so that was cool. And an old letter, it looks like. Anyway, I got a cassette case. But basically that's about it. Nothing really good in there. I don't know why I bought that. Anyway, so I got a cool hanging light. Possibly might hang it up. I don't know. It's patriotic, but I don't know. It's dirty. So anyway, and I got a globe. I got that. That's got like a letter rack on it, and I also got a box of toys. Oh, right here. That I haven't really went through. And then Bill had a box of junk, and I scarfed this out of it. Look at that. Ernest Tubbs Record Shops, Nashville, Tennessee. That was about the best thing I've ever seen. You know, I'm not a big Ernest Tubbs fan, but
That's still cool regardless of whose record store it is. So.
Anyway, I guess probably have some more fiddling around after this, but that's basically what I got at the auction. So I hope you enjoyed my video. I more do these for myself, and if you enjoy me, enjoy them. If you don't, I don't know what to say. You have taste. Thanks. All right.
It's alive!